I finally got myself a camera because I miss shooting and whatnot, so let's see how it goes.
Is this a video?
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Guys, I'm cutting a sandwich that my girlfriend made me.
The new Ultimate Spice Rackathon Ultra! Ready? Oh, I'm sorry, did I ruin your vlog?
No, that's okay, keep going. Yeah. I'm going to IKEA for the first time ever. Super excited to try the meatballs everyone's raving about. What's today? It's date day. Where are we going? IKEA! I got this little toy for JP, but he didn't want it. Can you see? Oh. Yeah. Damn.
Miss Girl Ina, come in here.
I look like a fairy. Okay, come here. IKEA. That was so big. There's only 10. Look, he's like, I don't even know what to say. Cookies. I can't believe my mom never took me to IKEA. Hey guys, welcome to my bed. Guys, we're getting food. I'm so fucking excited and hungry. So we got meatballs, we got fries, we got Italians. Yeah, meatballs, almond pastries, a gooey cake, and then a salad. It's so soft. Wow, I get it now. I understand people.
Oh, wow. Hey, you're gonna turn his lip.
Whoa. Hold on a second.
Stop. Now I need to try.
Yo, I'm like,
Oh, no.
the flavors kept changing in my mouth. That's why
It tastes very floral.
gooey cake. It looks like a brownie cake. Whoa, that shit was gooey. Good.
This is my type of dessert.
Oh my god, it like melts in your mouth. We're gonna go find a bathroom and then we're gonna find a sink, storage cabinet, and a lamp. Because I love lamps.
Yeah,
In the rug section.
very nice. Very soft. I've been expecting
Oh, that's not. This is like the ad for IKEA. Must have out a little crusty today, but that's okay.
Oh my god.
Ironing my baby's apron.
Yada 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 yada.
Meatballs. Oh my god, we should have done like, this is us before shopping at IKEA. This is us after. How much did we spend? Don't even want to talk about it. But did we buy really good investments? Well, yes. Did we get hot dogs and a Cinnabon to reward us?
I can tell you how much I was. $2.80.
Hot dog, 50 cents.